The new 308 is the first car to feature the new Peugeot logo, which sits at the centre of the grille. The grille and the iconic Peugeot fanglight signature demonstrate the contemporary high-end design and features LED headlights offering optimum visibility. The new Peugeot logo sits proudly on the front wings of the car, adding a subtle touch of exclusivity. The silhouette of the new 308 demonstrates its sleek design and its highly aerodynamic profile. Available as standard in an exclusive paint colour, olivine green, the new 308 proudly stands out from the crowd. The rear of the new 308 features the Peugeot 3-claw LED light signature. Paired with a gloss black connecting strip at the rear end, the new 308 has a powerful and unique design, instantly recognisable. The new 308 is available with a choice of 2 hybrid engines, or as petrol and diesel. On the hybrid models, the charging port is accessible on the rear of the vehicle, on the opposite side to the fuel cap. Charging is simple and easy. Using a 7.4 kilowatt wallbox charger will take less than 4 hours to fully charge the battery, giving you up to 37 miles of pure electric driving range. With the optimal 7.4 kilowatt on-board charger added, this time reduces to less than 2 hours. The new 308 benefits from Peugeot's next-generation i-Cockpit interior and infotainment system. The new multifunction steering wheel gives you easy access to the advanced driving aid systems, mobile phone and media functions amongst other features. From GT, you can also enjoy the comfort of a heated steering wheel as standard. The head-up instrument panel displays all relevant driving information with an easy sight of the driver. The 10-inch digital screen is fully customizable with several display modes so you can choose which information you see, for example navigation or driving aids. In plug-in hybrid versions, you'll be able to see the charging status of your vehicle here when it's plugged in, your remaining pure electric driving range and the current mix of energy you're using if you're driving in hybrid mode. In the centre of the cabin, there is a 10-inch touchscreen. All information relating to the vehicle can be accessed and displayed via this screen. For example, media controls, satellite navigation, vehicle settings, the vehicle handbook, amongst other information. The virtual eye toggles are a second touchscreen positioned below the main 10-inch display. The eye toggles act as shortcuts to key functions in the system and are fully customizable. Connected navigation gives you access to inbuilt satellite navigation compatible with both screens in the i-Cockpit, meaning you can stay focused on the drive. The entire system is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You'll be able to connect wirelessly to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, or by using the USB in the central console of the car. For even easier access to functions, the new Peugeot iConnect feature allows you to speak directly to the new 308 using OK Peugeot as a command. This means you can instruct the car to complete certain functions without having to take your hand off the wheel or eyes off the road. Simply say, OK Peugeot, followed by your command. For example, OK Peugeot, direct me to the nearest fuel station. The new 308's gearbox selector allows you to change between drive, reverse and park seamlessly. Plug-in hybrid vehicles also have a B-mode button, which activates regenerative braking mode and allows you to regain energy for the battery when braking. You will have various options for driving mode depending on whether you have a petrol, diesel or plug-in hybrid new 308. On petrol diesel models, you have Eco, which minimises fuel consumption by shifting gears within optimum engine speed ranges. Normal, which balances performance and efficiency and is the default mode, and Sport. For plug-in hybrid vehicles, you will be able to choose between Hybrid, where the electric motor works in conjunction with the petrol engine, Electric, where only the electric motor is used, and Sport, which give you a more dynamic driving experience, with firmer steering, increased engine torque, and shorter gear shift time.